Hello everyone. And welcome back once again to another interesting video. In today's video we'll discuss how to master generative AI in 2024, a step-by-step guide for beginners. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. Generative Artificial Intelligence or Generative AI has witnessed remarkable advancements, making it a fascinating and powerful field within the realm of artificial intelligence. From creating realistic images to generating human-like text, generative models have garnered widespread attention. Mastering generative AI in 2024 requires a structured and comprehensive approach. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate through the complexities and build expertise in this cutting-edge field. Step 1. Understand the basics of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Before delving into generative AI, it's crucial to have a solid understanding of the fundamentals of artificial intelligence or AI and machine learning or ML. Familiarize yourself with key concepts such as supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Gain proficiency in popular ML libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch, as they are extensively used in generative AI projects. Step 2. Grasp the foundations of generative models. Generative models are a subset of machine learning models designed to generate new data samples that resemble a given dataset. Start by learning about the two main types of generative models. Probabilistic models. Understand models like Gaussian mixture models or GMM and hidden Markov models or HMM, which are probabilistic in nature and form the basis for more advanced generative models. Generative adversarial networks or GANs delve into GANs, a revolutionary class of generative models that involve two neural networks, the generator and the discriminator, engaging in a competitive process to improve the quality of generated samples. Variational autoencoders or VAEs explore VAEs, which are probabilistic generative models based on the principles of variational inference. Step 3. Learn frameworks for generative AI. Get hands-on experience with popular deep learning frameworks used in generative AI projects. TensorFlow. TensorFlow is widely employed in the field. Master the basics of building and training models using TensorFlow. PyTorch. As an alternative to TensorFlow, PyTorch is known for its dynamic computational graph, making it favored by researchers. Learn to implement generative models using PyTorch. Step 4. Explore GAN architectures and implementations. Dive deeper into GANs, exploring various architectures and implementations. Conditional GANs. Understand how conditional GANs can generate samples based on specific conditions, adding a level of control to the generation process. StyleGAN. Study StyleGAN, a GAN variant capable of generating high-quality, realistic images with impressive detail and control over the generated content. CycleGAN. Explore CycleGAN, a model designed for image-to-image translation tasks without the need for paired training data. Step 5. Experiment with text generation models. Generative AI extends beyond images to include text generation. Familiarize yourself with models like recurrent neural networks or RNNs. Understand how RNNs can be used for sequential data generation, including text. Transformer models. Delve into transformer models, such as OpenAI's GPT or generative pre-trained transformer series, which have set new benchmarks in natural language processing and text generation. Step 6. Hands-on projects and Kaggle competitions. Apply your knowledge by working on hands-on projects. Platforms like Kaggle offer a wealth of datasets and competitions where you can test your skills and learn from the community. Participating in Kaggle competitions provides practical experience and exposes you to diverse problem-solving scenarios. Step 7. Stay updated with research papers and conferences. Generative AI is a rapidly evolving field with new research emerging frequently. Stay abreast of the latest developments by regularly reading research papers from conferences like NeurIPS, ICML, and ICLR. Follow key researchers and institutions on platforms like AR14 to stay informed about groundbreaking advancements. Step 8. Collaborate and engage in the community. Join online forums, communities, and social media groups dedicated to generative AI. Engage in discussions, seek advice, and share your knowledge. Collaborating with peers allows you to learn from others, stay motivated, and gain insights into real-world applications. Step 9. Specialize in a domain. Generative AI finds applications in various domains, including art, healthcare, finance, and more. Consider specializing in a particular area of interest. For example, if you're passionate about generating realistic artwork, focus on artistic style transfer using GANs. Step 10. Contribute to open source projects. Contribute to open source generative AI projects. This not only enhances your coding skills but also allows you to be part of a collaborative community. GitHub is a great platform to discover and contribute to open source projects related to generative AI. Conclusion. Mastering generative AI in 2024 requires a strategic and continuous learning approach. From understanding the fundamentals to exploring advanced models and engaging with the community, each step contributes to your proficiency in this dynamic field. By staying updated with the latest research, participating in hands-on projects, and contributing to the community, you can position yourself as an expert in generative AI and contribute to the ongoing advancements in this exciting domain. Remember that persistence, curiosity, and a passion for innovation are key drivers in mastering generative AI. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.